The overall goal of this procedure is to assess neurological and neuropsychological performance using an innovative iPad-based application, the Multiple Sclerosis Performance Test, or Mspt. This is accomplished by first instructing the subject in, and then having them perform the following tests: the walking speed test, a 25-foot timed walk; the balance test, a measure of how the subject integrates sensory information to maintain postural stability; the manual dexterity test, to measure arm function; the low contrast letter acuity test, that measures visual function; and finally, the processing speed test, that assesses information processing speed. Ultimately, neurological and neuropsychological performance is quantified and compared with reference populations to determine type and severity of disability in each particular subject and to compare change over time.
The Multiple Sclerosis Performance Test, Mspt, is an innovative and improved way to measure disability in people with multiple sclerosis. Our validation studies show that Mspt performs favorably to traditional technician-based testing. We believe the Mspt has the potential to have a major impact in patient care and research in multiple sclerosis.
To prepare for the Mspt, make sure the subject understands each part of the testing and knows that the Mspt will be conducted in the following order: timed 25-foot walk, balance test, 9-hole peg test dish, 9